To start your sketchbook cover, you're going to do a mind map. And to do your mind map, you can have your paper up and down, or you can have it side to side. But remember that your paper is going to go vertically into your sketchbook. So keep that in mind. It doesn't matter which way you do it. Then you're going to write your name in the middle. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It doesn't have to have color. It doesn't have to have a box. It can be just your name. Then you're going to attach things to that with words that are important to you. For example, my family's very important to me, my faith, my marriage. I absolutely love reading. You already know that as an art teacher, I'm probably an artist. You may want to talk about your clothing, if you like jewelry, if you like to paint your fingernails. Maybe you are into a particular superhero or a sports team, and you can write those things on your paper. This is the one assignment that you can do where you have all, you can have things that are copyrighted, because this is the one project. This is sort of like a identity portrait of yourself. Once you get that done, then you're going to go back and you're going to look up and research, if you need to, what kind of images that you want for each of those. Now, there may be a few that you may end up having to use the actual word for. And you're going to draw those pictures onto your paper, sort of as it's a plan. It's not necessarily a sketch. Once you complete your mind map, which is a separate grade, then you're going to take and you're going to decide how you're going to organize all of these things together for a sketch. And on that sketch, that's going to then get you ready to transfer to your drawing paper, which is the heavy duty paper. You're going to also make a decision about what you're going to do for your lettering. How is it going to look? Your name is your focus point. Your first name is your requirement. And then you have to make a decision about how these objects are going to go. Keep in mind terms such as balance, so that everything works together and you don't have everything all in one corner. Think about your size. Probably have a variety of sizes of some of your objects. As you can see here, this is bigger than the paint tube. This is bigger than the ring, and it's even bigger than the book, but the ring is bigger than that. That's where we get a variety of sizes. You practice that, you lay it out, you get everything that you want on there. You can even do some free-form designs if you wanted to, and you're going to have that set up and ready and have it going. And then once that is ready, then you're going to transfer this. Now, this is a sketch. It is not a set in stone. You may decide that it's not exactly the way you want, or you may decide that it needs to change directions, or something needs to move around. Then you're going to move over to the physical drawing paper using your sketch as a guide, and you're going to transfer that over. I think that maybe my name needs to come down a little bit more in the middle, so then I'm going to do that. Do you need a ruler? Are your letters really precise? So do you need a ruler so that you draw lines for the top and the bottom of your letters? And then do you need a ruler to be able to put a line in the middle where your lowercase letter goes? Are you making them all the same size? Are you making a curve? Are they going to curve instead of be straight? And that's where you're planning. Once this is drawn and set up, you're ready to start adding your color. Colored pencils are the requirement. You may go and use other materials, Sharpies, ink, the thin points, regular points, depends on what you want to use. And then this is going to be your major grade, and it's going to go down in front of your notebook.